Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you people along on how I retouched my hair. My hair is due and I decided to retouch it. So why not sit back, relax and watch how I transform my hair from start to finish. I will show you how I relaxed it, roll the tips into beautiful coils, and then finish the style with colorful beads. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. So firstly, I applied relaxer to my hair using Mega Growth formula. I make sure every strand is evenly covered. And before that, I opened my Mega Growth. I mixed it. It's normally two. So I mixed it together. I put the main relaxer and the other one, and I mixed it. I turned it very well. Then after that, I sectioned my hair into four equal parts. Then after sectioning the hair, I now started applying the relaxer. As I was applying the relaxer, I was gently combing the hair so that everything will relax very well the way I want. Then after everything, after combing and applying the relaxer, I allowed it to sit on my hair for like 2 hours. The reason why I carried it for 2 hours is because I want maximum results. I want it to relax and to be retouched very well. That is why I carried it for like 2 hours, and my hair is not that clean. So if your hair is not dirty, please do not carry your own for 2 hours, else it's gonna burn your hair. So after 2 hours, I now proceed to the bathroom to wash it off with my Mega Growth shampoo and conditioner. So stay tuned. Here I was trying to notify you guys that it's already 2 hours. So I will now proceed to the bedroom to wash the relaxer off. So stay tuned. So after washing it out and patting it dry with my dry towel, I section my hair into three parts, one at the back, one in the middle, and one in the front. I secure each part with a band. Then I braid each side with one braid each and add colorful beads to them. Now I use my lighter to seal the end so that the beads will stay in place. Then the ones I sectioned and secured with band, I roll just the tips of the hair with my rollers. As I roll the hair, I apply my leave-in conditioner that I mixed with water. The reason why I applied it because I don't want it to dry out while rolling the hair. I apply it for moisture retention and as well as coil retention also, so that when everything is okay, when I'm done with everything and the hair finally dry, the coils I'll get from there will be really defined. That's why I added my leave-in conditioner mixed with water. And I use my hand dryer rolling the hair. After rolling the whole hair, I now use my hand dryer to dry it to help fasten the process. So if you happen not to have a hand dryer, you can just air dry it, just leave it. After rolling it, just leave it, it will dry on its own. Okay, so after that, we now proceed to the next step, which is removing the rollers to see how our coils look like. So here the hair has finally dried, and I'm now removing the rollers I used to roll the hair. Then after removing the rollers, I will now hand comb the hair. I will not use my comb to comb it. I just use my hand to comb it, okay? So that after everything, the coils will still be there. So let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle in the comment section below, okay? Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.